Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look here. Recently I have been doing so much colour on my channel and I know not everybody loves colour, so I do like to keep a bit of a mixture on my channel just so I can accommodate everybody. In today's tutorial I wanted to keep it nice and simple for you guys. Everything is drugstore, so if you want to know how I achieve this makeup look then just keep on watching. Hello! Oh, I had a big massive string of spit. Lovely! I done my tan last night and do you know what? I don't actually think my hands look that bad. I'm kind of starting to learn from you guys giving me tips. Please do not look at my palms though. I tanned my face. I never tan my face. If you're familiar with my channel and you've been here for a while, fucking hair, you'd know that whenever I do my tan, I do not tan my face. I just don't do it. I will say, honestly, I was expecting to wake up looking like a complete and utter Cheeto. I'm not mad. I actually think it looks quite nice. I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person it actually looks really, really nice. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're just going to get into the makeup tutorial. So obviously, I just said by the start of the video, I'm going to be doing something quite soft today. Soft, brown and matte. Do I look like a dick? Yes. So I am using the e.l.f. Natural Glow Lotion. I'm just going to use this just to prep my skin. I hope that primer and I hope my makeup sits okay on my skin today because I haven't even washed my face today yet. Do you know what I did though? I don't know if you can see, but I didn't do around my hairline because I was so feared. Oh, that was so Northern Irish. I was so feared. This is honestly the love of my life, this foundation, and the reason I don't use it more often on my channel is because the only shades I have in my collection at the minute are a golden natural, and this is the shade I'm in whenever I am fake tan. So whenever I'm not fake tan I can't necessarily use it, and it's been a while since I've been fake tanned. Absolutely love this foundation. That's one thing I'm so excited about this video. I am using some old favourites, I'm using new products I haven't used in so long, and I love doing wee videos like that. So I'm just going to apply this just all over with my beauty sponge. So yesterday I took the day off filming because I'm actually in the middle of getting my makeup collection sorted because I'm wanting to do a makeup collection video soon. I was supposed to do a makeup collection video last year, the end of last year, and I didn't do it because I still wasn't happy with it and I'm still working on it. So that's what I done yesterday. I was working on my makeup collection and sorting out the drawers and moving it about and stuff. I just happened to take all of my foundations out of my drawer, clean out the drawer and then put them back in like a particular way. But I just decided to count my foundations. I have 74 foundations. Sorry, I had 74 foundations. I binned 3, so that means I have 71 foundations. That's embarrassing. That is ridiculous. So yeah, makeup collection video should be coming very, very soon. Although whenever I say very, very soon, I'm probably meaning in the next maybe 9 months. And for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I have not used this in so long. Oh, I haven't even opened it yet. I actually have no idea why I have put on so much concealer. I hate whenever people put this much concealer on. I'm such a hypocrite. So I'm then just going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot Powder. I did buy this because I'm intending on doing a full face of Makeup Revolution, like trying all their new products and stuff, but screw it. I'm going to open it and try this because I did buy quite a few powders, so I'm able to actually open at least one of them, so god damn it. I quite like that powder actually. It's actually set, obviously, it's a setting powder, duh. But it's actually gave the tiniest bit of coverage and it's actually kept the brightness. That's one thing I love in a powder. Yeah, quite like that actually. I'll definitely have to continue using it to actually see how I like it and see how it wears throughout the day and stuff. So I'm going to go in and bake now. So I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. So the other day I had asked you guys over my Instagram what videos and what tutorials you would want to see. Mainly what videos you would want to see, because obviously my channel is mainly tutorials, so I'm kind of always going to have tutorials. And I do want my channel to be more focused around makeup tutorials because that's kind of my thing. But sometimes I kind of think that, I don't know, I like there to be a bit of a mixture on my channel between tutorials and other stuff. So I did ask you on my Instagram to send me in your recommendations of videos. If you were one of those, I did screenshot them all, so I'll obviously be taking them into consideration. Anybody here that doesn't have me on Instagram, leave me some video recommendations down below. I don't know, whenever you do this 5 days a week, you can hit a creative block, and I kind of find that that's where I'm at the minute. There is obviously endless things you can do with makeup, but I just kind of want there to be a wee bit of a variety on my channel and it not just be about makeup and tutorials and blah blah blah. A lot of people did mention vlogs. How can I do vlogs when I don't leave the house? Seriously. Take the wee slip off. So this is the Dream Sequence palette by Colourpop. I did get this for Christmas. Oh. We all know how I feel about Colourpop highlighters. So I'm going to take the shade up in the corner, Curtain Shape. I'm going to set my face first actually. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Natural setting spray. Kyle's Valentine's card as always. Glad it came in handy. Talking about Kyle, you know the promise ring he got me? I can't find it anywhere, and I have still yet to tell him. It's been about 3 weeks now and he's going to kill me. I cannot find it anywhere, and like, this is the thing, I don't know whether it's boys or what, but he hasn't even noticed that it hasn't been on my wee finger. Why have you not noticed, mate? Like, seriously. But for that, I'm thankful. So that's it for highlight. Is it as nice as my Flexitarian? Never. Then for blush, I'm just going to use this wee one by BH Cosmetics, and this is their Duo Cheek Colour. Got this off Beauty quite a wee while ago. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is in the shade Caribbean Coral. So as you can see, it has like the pink and kind of like the peachy orange. So I'm just going to take a bit of mixture between the two. So I'm just going to bronze up the skin. I'm just going to use the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. Is it Dolce or Dulce? Dulce? Dolce. I just pronounce it Dolce? Dulce? I don't know actually. I think I say it like different every time, you know, keeping you guys on your toes. I'm now going to go off camera and do my usual, do my eyebrows. My messy eyebrows. I've actually noticed I've been getting quite a lot of comments recently about how shit my eyebrows are, how people like me but they can't have my eyebrows. I'm with you on that one. I'm the same. I have always been at a lost cause with my eyebrows. You know, if you leave me hateful comments about my eyebrows, it's not a hate comment because I feel the exact same. Shitty eyebrows commencing in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, so I have 2 eyeshadow palettes here in front of me. I'm not too sure what one to use. Obviously they are both drugstore. Is Morphe considered drugstore? I don't know. Morphe to me is considered not drugstore but not high-end, kind of like Benefit. I don't know. Anyway, I have the Morphe, I took the sticker off, great, but it's just this wee palette here. It's just like a really nice neutral tone palette, but I also have this wee thing, this wee critter here. So this is the LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow Quad. It doesn't have a shade, it just says mattifying. That's great. We'll just use this Morphe one for now, and I'm going to go into this shade just down in the corner, and I'm actually going to set my lids today, and I'm actually just going to focus that shade just in the inner portion of the eye, just in that inner corner. I do apologise, but I'm going to use a mixture between the 2 palettes. So I'm going to take the wee LA Colors one next. I'm going to take this shade here. So I'm just going to start in the crease at that outer corner, and this is just where I'm going to blend in circular motions. Taking no more product, I'm just going to slightly wing it out. So I'm just focusing mainly all of the colour just in this outer corner. Usually what I would do would be this, but I ain't doing that today. Once we kind of have that colour laid down, I'm not going to take anything more on the brush, but I'm still going to feather it across to that area because we don't want it to look as if the shadow has just stopped. Don't mind me, I'm still sitting here blending. Okay, so I'm next going to go into the Morphe palette. I think this is the 12MB palette. I will look it up and list it down below just in case I'm wrong. But I'm going to take this shade here because this is a slightly darker shade. I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush. Whenever I'm doing eye makeup looks like this and I'm going to be doing like a smoky eye, for example, like today, I will take at least 3 brushes. A large fluffy brush, a medium fluffy brush and a small fluffy brush. So the darker I go, the smaller I want my brush to be. I do apologise if I'm making this sound difficult, but it's really not. I'm literally just blending these 2 shades in circular motions at the outer portion of my eye. You literally cannot go wrong. And do keep the first brush that you took so you can go back and blend out lines if lines are created. I sometimes find that, like, not that I'm old, but as I've got older I sometimes find that I can get like wee wrinkles. Like, can you see them? I sometimes get them. So just like that first shade, I'm still just packing and blending as I go. And just every now and again just taking that first brush and just blending those edges. Just blend up the way. I'm going to go into the LA Colours palette now. I'm going to take again an even smaller blender brush. I'm going to take this dark brown shade. I'm taking this brush as well because it is slightly tapered. It slightly is going into like a bit of a point. So that means that I'm going to be really going to be able to get right into that crease and be more precise with the placement of the shadow. And then obviously because it has like shorter bristles around the side, once I place that into the crease, then my shorter bristles are going to do its job by blending that out. Because this was the brush that we used before this brush, I'm going to go back into this brush, taking nothing on it, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and then I'm also going to take a bit of the Poundland eyeliner. So I like to just do my lash line first. Because I want to go for quite a dramatic wing today, I'm going to go in with just a wee bit more product. So I like to do the top of my line first. And that's going to be the guide for the top of my wing. I'm now going to go to the bottom of my lash line and I'm going to draw a line up to join that. I'm going to apply some lashes. So I'm going to go for the Glamify Beauty lashes, and these are in the style, they don't actually have a name of style, well, not that I can see here, they just say GB38. They do look quite thick, but they are really, really nice on. While I'm waiting for those lashes to dry, I'm just going to do my lip liner. So I'm going to use the Technic Lipliner in the shade barely there. Then for lips, I'm going to use this Matte Me lip cream by Sleek. Oh. Okay. This applicator, are they honestly taking the piss? It literally feels like I'm applying this liquid lipstick with Gandhi's fucking flip-flop. I'm just going to try and pat it on and then blend out with my finger. Okay, so I'm just going to set the Can we start that again? Yeah, so that's basically everything done. So I'm just going to set the skin with this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. I hate doing this, I swear. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed. All the products that I did use in today's tutorial, like usual, will be down below in the description box, as will my Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow me on those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.